Hello, today I'm going to show you how to map a network or shared drive in Windows 11. Mapping a network drive lets you quickly access shared folders and files on another computer or server as if they were on your own PC. It's super handy for working in teams or managing shared resources at home or work. Let's get started. Open the search menu, type File Explorer, then click to open it. In File Explorer, click this PC on the left panel. At the top, click the three dots icon, see More, and select Map Network Drive. In the new window, paste the host address or IP address of the network location you want to map. Click Finish to complete the setup. Once done, your network drive will appear under this PC. That's it. Now you know how to map a network drive on Windows 11. Good luck.